Good morning, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you how to change the headlight globe in a Ford Falcon. And again, these are pretty generic, so you'll find this is very similar in a lot of cars. But on this, once you've got your bonnet up, and have a look up here, put a link to this video if you need a video to show you how to get the bonnet up and the different stages. To get a headlight globe out, you can actually pick it from there, what type of headlight globe you've got. So to start with, you grab hold of the plug. You'll see it right there, top and bottom, and just wiggle that up and down, side to side, and you'll be able to pull that plug off the globe. So then that whole rubber boot comes off, like that, and then there's a little wire clip in there. You can just see the top of it, and that wire clip, it actually needs to go down and then out that way. So you press it down, and it clips off, and then it'll swing out like that, and then the globe comes out. Then you have your whole globe. Probably one of the filaments will be broken. Then to put it back in, you'll see the three patterns that we've got here. So it goes in, you can actually see from the inside here the globe. So when it comes and putting it in and lining it up, you can do that from the front. You can see there it's coming through, so you need to get that into its position so it sits. Then this little part that swings back down onto the top of the globe, there's a little clip in here. There's just not enough room to show you, just a little metal clip. I'll see if I can't take a still photo of it. And this goes in, and you press it down, and then it clips up and comes into place. We can see it from that angle. There's the clip, and right there where my finger is there, you can see that little metal bit. So that comes down and clips in place. So when your new globe's in, that's how you click it in place, and then that spring is holding the globe in place. Next thing is then the boot. Not a lot of room, but there never is for headlight globes. Over like that. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Over all of them. There's all the terminals sticking out, 1, 2, 3. And you grab the lead, and the same thing, you get that plug there, that one is going to come to the top. So you get it over, get your finger with that top one and that top tab, like that, then she's in place, and then you slide it on, and then you just check that that rubber boot is waterproof over the back of that plug. She's on and you're happy.